can't have it on the fire. If you have it on the fire, it's gonna be like.
His name not a pot. Soup is coming on nice, man. Whoa. Oh my God, man. Get this at the restaurant, guys. Nice. Yeah, chicken time, you know. Have chicken right there, so fry up another oil, people. Natural vibes. Chef Boss right there, so.
Naturally.
Yeah. Big Chef Boss, man. Flow up some chicken, you know. Yeah, man. Beautiful, beautiful.
Bailey's Kitchen.
Yeah, man.
Where you come and get the nice food?
Yeah, man. Naturally, man. Beautiful. Soup is coming on nice, man.
Yeah, man. Lovely.
Bailey's, man.
Lovely.
Yeah, man. Pot a bubble up right there, so people for the white rice. Yeah, man. Beautiful, man.
Bailey's Kitchen.
Yes, man.
Nice and lovely food, man.
Yeah, man.
Right.
Beautiful. Nice. Chef Bailey are doing special roll up, you know.
Yeah.
Chopping a stew piece, not true. Yeah, man.
About time still such man need to start cook some food too, you know. Every day you want to watch me cook, you know, feel like you will cook too.
Why people much your mud for me, you know? I say me a big chef and I don't want to show my true potential, you know? Yeah, but people don't know say we are big chef still, you know.
Yeah,
But I'm teach me, you know, people. Anything where you say I cook on the channel, I'm teach me, you know. Real Chef Bailey, man. Soup is looking lovely, brother. Lovely.
Spaghetti.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, man, chicken done, you know. Beautiful, man. Alright, so that's the rice gone now the pot now for the soup piece. Soup piece right there, so. Chef Bailey, a man and glade, not true? Yeah, man, as usual. Like that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice.
Small portion today.
Yeah, Chef Bailey said I'm just doing a small amount today. But I will eat this for me, man. I will eat. Beautiful. Curry pork.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So this is a tender rice right now.
Yeah, man, finished now, man. Just ready for cut up seasoning, you know.
Season and all them things they say I cut up season and
seasoning, get a next curry.
yeah,
You know,
do it with more curry and oh, beautiful. Can't wait to see that, people. Can't wait to see that. Beautiful. So we have the pork right here. So you know the pork will cook down now, you know, people. Yeah, man. So this pork was in the pressure cooker, you know, it get tenderized and thing. So you know, season and everything that add up to the pork and get it all cook up, more seasoning, more round seasoning and more powdered seasoning. Beautiful. This is going at the pork.
Yeah, man.
Wow. So I had now burn the curry.
Yeah, burn that one here.
Yeah.
Then I'm throwing the seasoning in them. I'm throwing the pork.
Yo, just can't that smell of I just love the smell of the curry right now, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yo, the curry just smell nice, you know, man. It alone, you know. Just it alone, man.
You see?
Wow, beautiful. Look at that. Nice.
Burn it out, you know?
Nice.
You can't have it on the fire. If you have it on the fire, it's going to be like...
If you have it on the fire?
It's going to get black.
Oh, okay.
Alright?
Okay. Beautiful. Right now, seasoning in the pot. Nice.
See?
Pork over here now.
So you know we have to make this get like a stir fry.
Beautiful
Stir
people,
fry.
look at that one. Nice. So the pork are going at that right now.
Yes, baby. So
Alright. Look at that now, man. Beautiful. This now the real. These are the real pork now. Nice. Oh my god. Yeah, man. Can't wait to taste that one. Yeah, man. Can't wait to taste this people.
see?
Nice. Gonna do a little powdered seasoning. Goes a long way, you know. But a bubble already, you know, people. Yeah, man. Nice.
See, all the meat together, you don't make it pressure too much, you know?
Nice. You don't want it mashed up, though? Naturally. Nice. So this is some coconut milk and
Yeah, man.
naturally.
Yeah, man.
And this up in the body.
Yeah.
Just a commando, you know, man. Oh, God, man. Not true, man. People don't have to afford that restaurant, you know. Beautiful. Look at that, man. Naturally. So this is what? This is for what, bro?
This is something I use to make this sorrel water barbecue sauce.
Wicked.
Alright.
Can't wait to sit down there.
Yeah.
Nice.
But I can't show you too much though.
Alright. Secret. Alright.
Work. $6.50. Small one, $6.50.
Boil up the sorrel, you know.
Long one,
Naturally.
$7.50.
Sorry, like get boiled now, people. So this like a boil up or maybe draw. You understand? I'm saying can't show it too much, but we're gonna see the ending. Alright, so the stew piece. Oh,
Ready.
so the stew piece finished?
Yeah.
Naturally.
Yeah.
Wow, so stew piece is finished. It's actually lunchtime, people. This is the pork right there. Rice basically finished up right now. And Chef Bailey said the stew piece finished too. So, make the people them get a prep size stew piece and see what go on there. Whoa, beautiful.
Not bad.
Yeah, naturally.
Yeah,
Beautiful. And right here, you don't know the sorry that.
You chef? You chef?
I saw if you change color. Beautiful man, beautiful. Naturally vibes to people. So we can't show no too much as the chef says. So as soon as the process start working, you know, we'll show you what
just as the song is says, secret lovers.
Naturally.
My secret.
Alright.
Lovely though.
So when the process finished, people,
It's lovely.
we'll show you what go on. Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful. People, it come on nice, you know. Remember, we can't show no one why I put in it, you know. Chef Bailey, man. Not true, man?
Secret.
Beautiful. Nice. Yeah, my beautiful people. So look at this right now. So you know the fire lock off from under this. Oh. Chef said not fully complete yet, but you know, as him say we can't to show no the ingredients I'm using tonight, but him say I'm secret. What is this? Sorrel barbecue?
Yeah.
It's a sorrel barbecue sauce. Natural vibes, man. Look beautiful still. So we can't wait to see the outcome. Chef Bailey's wrap. Beautiful. What is that? Nice. Beautiful. What is this? Mayo.
Ranch.
Oh, it's ranch. Nice. Cauliflower vegetable. Right here. Nice. Do it with a smile, you know. Do it with a love.
Yeah.
You know?
You said that you want to eat fried chicken. She feel free.
Alright.
Nice. So some chicken breast right there. Chicken breast. Natural vibes. Oh, so beautiful. Guys, this is actually the barbecue. This is actually the barbecue sorrel barbecue sauce. Nice. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Nice. Cheese on it. What kind of cheese is it?
Cheddar cheese. Swiss cheese.
Nice. Look at that. Great dog. Got a couple more strips on it. Carrot. Top. Beautiful. Look at that, people. Beautiful. Look at that, people. That's
No. Big tail.
wow. Beautiful. Chef Bailey's, man. Wow. Get this at the restaurant, guys. Nice. Chef Bailey, man. Alright, Chef Bailey, man. Chef Bailey, they are dealing some food for the youths, them. So in this we're going to taste the pork. Yeah? We're going to taste some pork and we're going to taste some stew peas. We had stew peas the last time and it was a blast, people. Yeah, man. I saw a lot of you guys love the stew peas video. So you know, say we have to run back some more stew peas again. But this time we are doing some pork. Natural vibes. Right. Oh, beautiful. Nice. Got that, man. Nice. So we're going to taste some of the pork. Whoa. Beautiful. Guys, whenever have stew peas and pork mix it. Beautiful. Look at that, man. Chef Bailey, you know, man. Man himself, man. Nice.
Much, yeah? You don't need much, man. Just give you a small amount.
Nice. Nice. Soup is thick and nice. Call him dumpling, man. Oh my god, man. Nice. This is it, my beautiful people. Wow, stew peas and pork. Curry pork. Nice, Chef Bailey, man.
Only man will get these treatments.
Yeah. Nice, Chef Bailey, man.
This young man, people, this young man belly don't stop here.
Yes, man. No time at all, man. And we have some stew peas over here with a nice chicken leg. Nice. Naturally, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, my beautiful people. Look at this. So right now we have some pork in this. We have some natural vibes curry pork from Chef Bailey himself, man. Just right. Whoa, just right. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. You know we have to test out the stew peas. Chef Boss, man. Big up yourself in the Chef Boss. You know we have to test out the stew peas. Go. Oh my god, man.
Yo, my boss.
Beautiful, beautiful. The restaurant, people are running right now because you know it's lunchtime. We get lunch before everybody. Beautiful. Stew peas, pork, rice. Beautiful. I know in a most yard restaurant, Streetside restaurant, I'm ask you, you want mixed veg or pasta? And of course, we take some mixed veg. Not mixed veg, raw veg, sorry. So we take some raw veg because it just cut up fresh. And we see when it deal with. So you know that one. Raw veg. Mix up some of the stew peas with some of the curry. Nice little mixture right there. But right tonight now. Right now, as we're here filming this, people outside are ordering them food. Your man I say, yo, I want enough food because right now I'm hungry time. As you can see me I sweat. The place hot we're there in the kitchen. Wow. So we want to tune out right now. Guys, remember to like the videos, drop a subscribe, drop some comment, let me know if you know who that take her. Oh, come on Chef, or I drive, come on Chef Bailey place. Real street side restaurant, real street side food. Kingston, Rallington town, across from the police station, and you can't miss. About 15 minutes from Harvard. I want to reach another area. Vibes. So right now we are going to finish mash down this. God bless everybody who tune in. Stay safe. I don't know the style. Big up on yourself. Yeah, life good. We got tune out right now. Guys, my belly bust. I mean, I sweat hard. Woo. Vibes. Chef Bailey style.